Okay, some people are still having trouble with hitting mark done or turn in on their assignments. So here I'm in my Google Classroom. I'm going to click on the course that I am a student in. Down at the bottom, choose classwork. And then I'm going to go to the assignment I want to turn in. I think I want to do the Funky House assignment. Okay, so the first thing I want to do is add an attachment that has a picture of my scratch work. So I'm going to come over here, grab my journal, and I'm going to take a picture of my scratch work. Then I'm going to let that attach. It takes a minute for it to upload, especially if you have a larger picture. Loading, loading, loading. Okay, now my attachment is there. Right there, you can see it attached. I can add a private comment if I have a question or if I just want to say hi to my teacher. Then when you're finished, there's going to be this gray button that either says turn in or mark as done. Either way, once you've attached your scratch work, added any questions or comments you have, press turn in. Now you want to make sure you've done any attached Google Forms that are also in that assignment. Okay, now that it says unsubmit, that's how you can tell you've completely turned in your assignment. Have a